Good afternoon and welcome to today's ribbon cutting for our new terminal garage. This garage is just one piece of that expansion program to go from 18 million passengers to north of 30 million passengers, and we're really proud of this.
Now, this is more than just a parking garage. It is just the first of a really incredible stepping up to address the need for our front door to the world to be so great. BNA is the vital engine of economic growth for so much of our economy in Nashville, and that helps support 76,000 jobs across the region.
Our airport has been growing at an incredible pace. We've set passenger records month after month and year after year for 7 consecutive calendar years.
This airport is the first impression for everyone that comes and visits Nashville, and it lets our visitors know what they can expect when they get here.
All three of us are very happy to not only add 2,000 additional covered parking spaces, but we have a lot of other amenities that our passengers have been asking for. Our improved Valet center behind us will have a parking guidance system to tell you where to go to for an open space, electrical vehicle charging stations, tire inflation station, pay on foot kiosk, and your flight information display. And there's a 50,000 gallon cistern that captures rainwater that'll water all of the plants.
We're going to wonderful places, safe travels. This is a great day for our city, and this is a great day for our airport.